Hi, first grade. It is time to do some math. Today, you are going to do something really cool. You are going to start to make a plan to make your very own measuring game. Now, when we make a measuring game, we want to make sure that we have some things. Materials. That's like what is the stuff that you're going to need to play this game. So if somebody else wants to play, what items would they need? What are the rules for your game? How do you play? And what is the measuring tool you're going to use? So my materials for my game, all you need is big space, so I'm in my basement, a piece of paper, and you need to make a paper airplane for my game, and you need something to mark where you're going to start. So I'm using this eraser to mark my starting place, and then my measuring tool is going to be my foot. I'm going to measure with feet. And the rules are that you need to start at the starting point and throw your paper airplane. Then you need to measure with your feet how many feet long, how far did you throw your paper airplane. Then when it's another friend's turn, they can go and you can see who threw theirs further. So I'm going to practice setting up my game. Are you ready? I hope you can see me. So I'm going to come back here and I'm going to put my eraser where I want my starting point to be so that I know where I need to measure from. So I'm going to stand behind my starting point so I'm not cheating, and I'm going to throw my paper airplane and see. Do you have a guess? How many Mrs. Anger's feet far do you think I can throw my plane? Okay, here we go. Not too bad. Now I'm going to measure using my measuring tool, which was my feet. So I'm going to start at my starting point. 1, 2, 3, ooh, almost 4 Mrs. Anger's feet. Okay, now it is Spirit's turn to try. Oops, there we go. Okay, let's see if Spirit can throw further than me. Ready? Ooh, pretty good. Now, should Spirit measure with Spirit's feet, or should we measure with Mrs. Anger's feet? Mrs. Anger's feet, because that was how we measured mine, and our feet are different sizes, so those would be 2 different measuring tools. We want to use the same tool so that our rules are fair and the game is fair. So now I'm going to measure Spirit's throw. I'm going to start from my starting point. 1, 2, no gaps or overlaps. 3, 4 full Mrs. Anger's feet. I think Spirit wins. She threw her plane further. What measuring games can you make? You don't have to use a paper airplane. Maybe you have a car. Maybe you can take a straw and blow a cotton ball and see how far you can go. What are the rules for your game? You can think of anything that you want as long as it uses the same measuring tool every single time, and it's a measuring game. Good luck, first grade. Go to Seesaw and explain to me how your game is played by answering the questions. I can't wait to see what you come up with.